They lost their child to a drunk driver. Exactly 3 years and 7 months ago today.
Opening statements in the civil trial against Dr. James Corasanti got underway this morning. The family of Alex Rice is suing the doctor for her death. The teen was riding her longboard in Amherst back in 2011 when Dr. Corasanti struck and killed her.
He was acquitted of the most serious criminal charges in Rice's death, but was convicted of misdemeanor DWI. News 4's George Rickert is live in the newsroom with the latest on this. George?
Well, the burden of proof is lower in a civil suit than it is in a criminal suit. And today, some of the opening statements delved into the very personal lives of both families.
Every day during the past 3 years and 7 months, they thought about Alex.
Terry Connors represents the parents of 18-year-old Alex Rice, who are seeking monetary damages for the pain she suffered before dying and for the economic loss that they will suffer by her not being around to care for them when they get older. Dr. Corasanti's attorney, in opening statements, told jurors that Rice's father was delinquent in child support payments, but that 5 days after her death, he paid his child support so that he could be involved in her estate and this civil suit.
So it all of a sudden became very important that that child support payment be made.
Connors told the jury there is no dispute that Corasanti was drunk, and he says the doctor had to be distracted by sending 5 texts during his 10-minute drive home that night.
The first text that goes out while his wife is still with him at the country club was to a woman with whom he had had an affair. He claims that the affair had been over for a few weeks, but we'll look into that during this trial.
Alex Rice was texting as well. She was texting her boyfriend.
When she sent that text, he was a mile away from her. She was safe when she sent that text.
The wrongful death suit against Dr. James Corasanti resumes in the morning. George Rickert, News 4 at 6.